You can see this guy has made $6.92 with this website. This guy has made over $100 with this website. This guy has made $23. You can see this guy has made over $241. And you can see this guy has earned of all of his time on this website over $175,000. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how these people are making money with this website and how you can go and do it too. So make sure to watch this video till end.
Use CPA marketing. So right here you can see if someone signs up for this website right here from United Kingdom, you're going to get paid $1.44. So for example, if 10 people signs up for this website, you're going to get paid $14.40. If for example 100 people signs up for this website, you're going to get paid $144. So I'm going to show you guys how you can go and get these people to sign up for your website, how you can pay them a really cheap price, for example 10 or 15 cents, and once they sign up for this website, you're going to get paid $1.44. So you can see also this is all United Kingdom offers, so you can also choose the countries, and that is also really important for us because this method does require special targeting. So I'm going to show you guys how you can do it. So for example, if you go and search for France, I want to show you guys what to avoid. So you can see some of these offers. For example, this one requires credit card to sign up for this website. So that means that people need to spend some money to sign up for this website, and I would avoid these offers. You can see usually these offers are going to pay you guys the most. You can see this one is paying $18.11, but that is an offer that we are going to avoid because that requires our people to spend some money, and they're going to avoid that offer, so they're not going to do their job. You can see also this one, it requires $21.60. You're going to earn that much if someone signs up for this website, but you can see card required again, so we want to avoid that. So let's go and search for some offers. For example, United States, you can see those are the offers that are going to pay you guys the most. For example, if someone install the app on the mobile phone for this one, you're going to earn $3.88. So just from mobile install, you're going to earn this amount of money. You can see all of these offers, but this is also targeted for United States. So I want to show you guys how you can target these people, pay people, for example, 10 or 15 or even 20 cents to sign up for this website. And once they do that, you're going to earn $2.20 or $3.80 or whatever product you actually choose. So the website that we're going to use that is called micro workers. So that means all of these workers are going to do small tasks. You're going to pay them small amount of money, and when they do their job, you're going to earn money. So right here you can see you can click on register and you can create your free account. Once you sign up, you're going to see a page like this, and you can see there are tons of different offers already. You can see this one to play some fun games. For example, this is also some CPA offer. So you can see over 2,775 people already done this offer. So you can see, you can imagine how much money this guy has made from this offer. You can see there are tons of different stuff that people are requiring for the jobs, and what you want to do is you want to do the same thing. So make sure you want to click right here on create campaign. So once you go and click on create the campaign, they're going to let you guys choose which campaign you would like to create. So you can hire the group of people, or you can hire you can create basic campaigns, so you can choose which one you want to. So once you click on, for example, a basic one, you're going to see a page like this, and right here you can choose the targeting. So right here you can choose which people you want to finish your offer. So for example, if we go on a CPA platform and we choose, for example, France, and we want people to finish this offer, for example, for $1.22 right here, and you can see it is just required to submit email, nothing really special. So for people to do this offer and to earn $1.22, you can go and pay them. For example, you can target right here. I saw it, France, I think right here. France, and what you want to do is you want to click on right here, offer and sign up. So you can click on email submit, because that is what this offer requires. You can see right here, email, so they require email of your customer, and you can put your affiliate link right here in the text. So you can see you can pay, for example, workers 10 cents per job, and once you see that they have finished this job, you're going to pay them. If they don't finish the job but they claim they did finish the job, you can actually deny them to pay them. So if they only finish the job, make sure to pay them. You can also put a little bit more money, so you can go and rank higher and you can get more workers to do your jobs. You can also put, for example, these tasks takes around 5 minutes to finish, and this is how many people you want to put to finish your task. So let's say 150 people. So 150 people to finish our task, and to pay them 15 cents per job, you're going to pay them $24.94. So I wouldn't go as high as that. I would start, for example, the minimum is 30 people, so you can pay them, or you can even start with 10 cents right here. You're going to pay them $3.97 to do these 30 tasks. And for example, 30 tasks times, I think, $1.22, that means that you're going to earn around $30.60 for this job. So that is how you can go and make some money the lazy way, guys. So guys, that will be it for today's video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in comments down below. If you want to learn more about